Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's makeup look, I will show how to do a cat eye makeup look, which is super classy and super trending. Also, do not skip a step. All the steps are important, which I show in the video. So do watch it. Step 1, moisturize. Step 2, primer. Step 3, foundation. Here I'm using a blender. You can also use a brush. You don't have to apply a lot of foundation as it gives a cakey look, and I prefer a natural look. Also, do not apply a lot of product on your forehead, just a little bit of it, and then keep blending until it gets equally set. Step 4, brightening. I'm using my finger to brighten my T-zone. Step 5, set it up with powder. After brightening, quickly set it up with the powder. If you're not quick, you would see patchy lines getting on it. Also, under the eye and T-zone, apply a lighter shade. Step 6, contour. Do not heavy contour. Also, do contouring on your chin to define your jawbone. Contour on your forehead to make it look smaller. And also do apply a blush. Step 7, eye base. Use your concealer to set up your eye base and quickly set it up with the powder. Step 8, eye makeup. Use a light shade and apply it on your crease. Take a darker shade and blend. Keep blending until it gets mixed with the crease and create a V shape. Here I am applying a shimmer. While applying a liner, be careful. I am using a gel liner as it is the best liner and it looks the best. Make sure you create a nice wink. And watch me creating a nice cat eye. Step 9, concealing your brows. Shape it up first with a spoolie, outline and then fill the brows. Make sure you follow the natural brow shape. Contour your nose. I was gonna do it earlier but thought that would be doing it later on. Step 10, highlight. Highlight your T-zone and your cheeks. Step 11. Fill up your lips with the lip liner first and then apply the lipstick. Step 12. Mascara, and then it's finally done. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked the video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe as well.